In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw Ganesha using basic shapes. Stay tuned, we are going to start right now. What's going on? My name is Karthik, an art teacher in a school from last couple of years. Welcome to my channel. First, we will start with the basic shapes like circles, ovals and curves. First, we will draw a circle, then divide it into half vertically. The same measurement is being taken other side for the ear. The oval for the center part. 2 ovals for the leg. And a semicircle for the shoulder part. Small ovals for the leg, hands and legs. You can join this. With this basic shapes and curves, it is easy to do proper proportions. Don't try to draw all the details starting. If at all you do any mistakes, it is easy to undo now. Erase it and it can be rectified easily. If you give the details from the starting and if the proportion itself is wrong, then you will find it difficult to erase everything and redo it. Rather than that, you can only do the basic shapes and later you can start adding details to it. Use center line as a reference for both the side, so it will be symmetric. You can overlap on the basic shapes by doing very lightly. Later it can be erased. How many of you tried drawing Ganesha without basic shapes and got something like this without proportions? Let me know. Leave a comment below what you got. So always simplify the drawing with basic shapes like this. And on this we will start adding details to the basic shapes. Now adding details will be easier. Where you don't need to worry about the proportions, only you can give the details for it. Beginners, what they try to do is they will try to do a very neat drawing. Rather than drawing the proper proportions, they try to draw a neat drawing, which is the big mistake what the beginners do. If you know what all the things where it is coming from the basic shapes, it will be easier. Always simplify the drawing with basic shapes and curves. Now I have added colors. The same thing can be added for even to the canvas painting. Now I am drawing in a very light yellow ochre paint. I am doing the sketching for it with the same method which I used with light pencil. Now for the details I am using a little darker. Don't use pencil for the canvas because it will look very awkward by erasing it. It's also difficult to erase the pencil marks. First give the base color, then you can add depth to it. I am doing a full skin tone first, then adding a depth to it. Wherever the darker shadow parts are there, I am giving a little brown color for it. I am use the skin tone for it and then the golden color, and then for the cloth I have used red. Now you can add a little outline for all the things. At last you can add highlights with white paint, which gives you still more depth to the drawing. To learn the basic shapes like circles, ovals and curves, check out my description below. If you like this video, please do like and share it. And don't miss to subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys soon. Bye.